So now that we finally disconnected this, where'd she go? We can finally... Oh, you son of a bitch. Why is... Who...
That, my friends, is not how it started.
Well, it's been officially 32 years since my truck got its nut on. It's time to take it off, baby. So, let's see if I'm as good as I think I am. I have not checked it, believe it or not. Well, I checked one size, and it's not a size 15, which I already knew that. But I would say that 19 is honestly our only option. Hold on, it's my first day on the job. It's gonna hurt my knuckles, I could just already tell. Money, honey. Here she is, y'all, the 32-year-old nut. She's older than me. So what the method to the madness here was, the factory passenger side ground battery terminal that was going from, obviously, that was to the engine block to the frame. Here is the replacement. She's so fancy. Let me bring y'all upstairs. Let's go. Okay, hold on. Here we are, up on the second level. All right, and let's see if I can fit my tripod up here. Sometimes she's my friend, and sometimes the wind is such a bitch. So now that we finally disconnected this, where'd she go? Here she is. Yay, we can finally... Son of a bitch. Why is... Who... Back downstairs, snip some things, and then we should be done after that. Another day. I am so glad I never installed my inner fenders. Also, I don't know if these scissors are gonna do it. Definitely not gonna do it. But look how fucking massive they are. Fucking shit. Oh, I pinched my finger. Oh my golly. Guys, I know you can't tell, but she's throbbing. What happened to my fucking music? Alright, so let's see, and then this is where passenger side block comes in. Take this little doodad off. Okay. See how easy that is, y'all? They're literally labeled. This bad boy's gonna go right there. So cute. Let me spin y'all around. Okay. I mean, the leaks are giving come through dripping, but it's all right. Keeps her rust free, baby.